Okay, so a quick video today. This is about a Behringer P16-M, one of these personal mixers that you plug into a mixing disc. And I noticed that this one wouldn't let me, I could plug into, I could plug into that channel, but not this channel. So then I found out the reason is because one of the cables has got stuck. Yeah, let's start doing this. So let's take this one off here. I've got a small screwdriver here. Let's try it out. Yep, that's coming out. So I need a little tray. Okay, it turns out there's a hidden screw there, just where they put the sticky label. And it also turns out as you get older, you need glasses to come on and off. I need varifocals. So, what have I done with my screwdriver? That might do it actually, for the moment. And it will. Okay, that one comes off there. So now all the screws are off the bottom, including the plate. So now we can get this under here and there we are, easy, right? Okay. So that goes that way round like that. We want to get that. Oh, that's easy. So we just flip that and it jumped out. There we are. Watch the cable. So there's a ribbon cable in here, which is on the other video. The dude had replaced the motherboard there. But here we've got a problem that the left audio, so it's this one, has got stuck in there. So let's see, it's a closed jack, which could be a real pain. Oh, it's loose as anything anyway. So maybe the path for least resistance is just to resolder a new one on. Okay, I'm going to pause this whilst I go in and see if I can find in here something, or maybe a screw I can use to push in and try and pull out the tip. So I will be back. Okay, so the first thing I did was to use a standard Allen key, poked it in a bit, and I managed to get the plastic ring out. Yeah, that thing there, look. So that came out, oh sorry, there. But now I still got to get the actual metal tip out. They don't make it easy. There's a little captive bit here. So I don't know, I can show you that, the silver bit. Yeah, silver bit in here. I don't know if I can fold that out with a screwdriver. Okay, so you can just get a blade into the back here and flick the back off, yeah? And that gets us a bit of access to where we want to be. But I've got to be careful how I bend this, because I want to get it just so, put it like that, so I can get the piece out. I don't know if I can push anything through. Yeah, so you can push the screwdriver in gently. The end piece is now floating down here. I don't know if I can get this out like so. Oh yeah, I think that was it. I think that was it, unless I broke something. Give me a second. I think that was it, like extracting a tooth. It made a noise and fell down. Ugh. Well, okay, I think it's out. If it's out, then when I take this out of here, and I take this end here, then it ought to go into that one because that wasn't broken. Yes. That one because that wasn't broken. Yes. This one because it was broken. Yeah, that's it. It's working. Okay, I've done it. I fixed it. Ah, wait a minute. There are some slightly longer ones. There's 4 slightly longer ones, which have to be these ones here. Ever so slightly longer. So it's got to be these 4 for the cheeks, yeah? Because it wasn't biting at all. Let's get that in. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So the 4 longer ones, they're off. So there's 4 longer silver screws here. And 3 longer silver screws. You can see the slight difference in height if I hold it like that. Can you see it? Yeah. So the smaller ones go now. I'll find that other one in a moment. The garage has a magic metal detector on the floor. That's it. Let's do another one. See, I've got no easy way of testing other than the power comes on because I don't have a digital input here. That's the only thing I would say with these desks. They're all very clever, but I like my old analog mixers. Anyway, I'll be back later. Cheers. Bye bye. Okay, I found the screw. It fell in the magic garage right next to my beer collection, which it's not the spirit, but it's close enough. Alcohol isn't the solution to everything, but in this case it was. So I get to have one of these, one of my good beers. Let's see what it's like. A Dunkelbock. Give that a little bit of a chance for a head. That is looking pretty good. Quite a bit of fizz in there. That'll do. Yep, smells alright. Oh, tastes lovely. Natural carbonation. There you are. Thirsty work. Right, I'll put it over there. Don't fall. Let's finish this off. Okay, so that's done there. So now we're just left with this thing, which must go that way. I like the jeopardy of the non-clean desk. I'm sorry for those of you who need clean desks. I don't. There. Always important to get the right power supplies because these are 12 volts. In fact, I've got the power supply here. These are 12 volts positive center, and your guitar are 9 volts negative center. So I'll just plug it in here. That way round. That one there will do. There's a spare socket. Oh, wrong way round, sorry. Spare socket. Turn that off. Plug that on. We've got lights. So, okay, that's good. At least we've got it out of there. And again, now it fits in, seems positive, seems to be grabbing. So I think that's right. Yeah, I need to look at this thing, this store button. Someone was saying that you can clean the settings out. I think you said you hold down the store and then you push the mute button or something like that. I don't know. That doesn't seem to do it. Anyway, I'll look it up because, again, people do these link things. Maybe they do that. You see now 1 and 2 is linked. And now if you go to that channel and you do some change, both channels change, yeah? Which is often, maybe you just push link and do that again. No? Oh yeah, oh, look, that got rid of it. Oh, okay, that's something I learned today. So just pushing link again gets rid of it. That's good. Main apparently is the main volume here. You're supposed to put, and this is where it went wrong again, the limiter's all the way down. I think you're supposed to put the limiter all the way up. And this is the main level. And then when you set your given channel, you can produce limit down if it's clipping, or you want to put, you know, I normally have a bass effect pedal that does all this for me. But obviously if someone stored this in some crazy logical position, I don't know, maybe it seems to remember it, or maybe it only remembers these things, I don't know. I'm going to look how to reset it, but that's the main thing I did today. If you've got something stuck in here, looks like you've got to take the backing plate off, or the mount plate off, and all of the screws off. Then you have to prise in here with a screwdriver carefully, and that should pop off. There's a main board in there. These screws at the back, you might want to leave them in until you've taken the back piece. Yes, yeah, that bit will come off independently. So you might want to leave these ones here in till you've taken the bottom piece off, and then pop this out so you can do it controlled. There is a ribbon in there, and if the motherboard goes, you can replace the whole motherboard. But in this case, it was just the end of the other end of this cable somewhere. If I can find it, yeah, got stuck inside it, and yeah, that's hopefully fixed. And okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.